Hi, my name is Denise. I will be showing you how to make a money bouquet. You can buy your supplies at any craft or discount store. I will be using 5 10s, 10 5s, a vase, tape, skewers or bamboo sticks, floral foam, and flowers. We will start off making the flowers. Get your bamboo stick or skewer and place a piece of tape in the middle so you can secure it. Now fold the ends in so you have 2 peaks about the same size. Tape it in the front and tape it on the inside. And that's how your flowers should look like. Now repeat the process for the rest of the bills. Now get your floral foam and place it in the vase. Just cut it down into sizes that you would need for your vase. Now start arranging your money flowers to your liking. Now place the flowers in between and around to hide the sticks as much as possible. Thank you for watching. If you would like to get notifications of the newest tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Feel free to ask us any questions. Oh, and don't forget to like and share. See you soon.